Yeah, I just paid my house rent and $250 every week, fully furnished. Yeah, everything, including this my mess. Yeah, everything is included. It's actually fully furnished. Yeah, because now still a lot of people are asking me how much is the rent for this apartment. This is 1-bedroom apartment, fully furnished, including the electricity and water, $250. Yeah, today I'm going to cook ampalaya. This one, bitter melon and corned beef. So it's like a beef ampalaya but corned beef. So it's like a ampalaya con carne. I realized that I don't have any onion, so it will be just garlic. I don't know exactly, but you know, just to have something to eat, because this is what I have. Hey, look at that. I don't know if you can see, but those lorikeet, how many lorikeet are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lorikeet. And you know, it is September again. I am expecting that this magpie, yeah, this magpie that's attacking people. Yeah, if you remember last time I was attacked by the magpie. Hey guys, good afternoon. It is now 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1:04, and I'm going to work. Today my duty will start at 2 o'clock and finish by 10:30. Yeah, this is what I have. This is my trouser. This is my apron. This is my head cap. Yeah, some of the chef here in Australia, they don't wear head cap anymore. Yeah, but I always prefer to wear a head cap. And this is my chef's jacket. And I have my jogging pants. And I have a sweater because tonight will be cold in the dark. That's why I always have that. This time it is not very cold. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to put that in my backpack and we'll be ready to go and see you outside. Normally when I am working in the night, I always give 1 hour allowance to get to work. That way I am able to roam around the place, relax a bit before getting into the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, 1 hour, I think it's enough. The travel time is just 15 minutes, so I have like 30 minutes to relax a bit. Like this time I am going to work and I am relaxed. Yeah. And yeah, I sometimes get into the park and eat something or drink something. Oh, look at this way. They just clean it. It is very clean. There are no dry leaves along the way. All of them are on the side. Nice. You know what? Since I moved here in Australia, I've never been late to work. Yeah, I think the best reason is that the traffic. There is no heavy traffic here. Even in the city, even in Sydney, there's no heavy traffic like you will normally see in the busy city. When I was working in the Philippines, I always give 3 hours allowance to get to work. Yeah, that is because of the traffic. And when I was in Dubai, there is no problem because we have a service, a company service that will bring us from work to our apartment or from our apartment to the workplace. And if there is a traffic, for sure we're going to be late, and it is not a problem because yeah, it's still paid because it's part of the company, the transportation. Yeah. You never gave me too many chances to show you how much I care. I should have seen it coming. I should have read the sign. Anyway, I guess it's over. Yeah, I decided to just walk. You still have time, and walking is more relaxed. I didn't mention to you that it's already spring here in Australia, and you will notice that when there are flowers like this everywhere. Good evening, guys. Yeah, I just got home. It's now 11. Yeah, 11:04. Yeah, I finished my duty. After a very long time, my laundry just put there. Yeah, after a very long time. This is again the first time that I did the closing. Yeah, and as usual, when you're closing, you need to clean the kitchen. You need to clean the everything in the kitchen, the floor, the stove, the oven, everything. Normally 3 people are closing the kitchen, but this time it's just me and my other chef, so in one of each section. Yeah, just the 2 of us. Yeah, so it's not very cold along the way because I'm sweating when I was cleaning. So when I was on the road, it was not really cold. Yeah, I'm actually wearing a shirt. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Now I'm hungry.